Alright, so we're gonna see if we can catch the national EAS test. Let's see what the first channel gets the emergency alert system test, and then we're gonna try to see where else I can catch it. It'll happen on 220. I'm gonna see if I can.
And you're supported beyond graduation day. Explore our tuition
I'm on
guarantee,
93.3.
our faith-integrated coursework, and more than 100 online degree programs. See how it's possible at iwuishow.com.
AAA goes well beyond our legendary 24/7 roadside service. I'm Dave McMullen, president of AAA Ohio. Whether we're helping you plan your next great travel adventure, repairing your vehicle, promoting driver education, or protecting you with competitive insurance products, AAA provides safety, security, and peace of mind. Discover why more than 60 million members trust AAA.
Join today and save $15 off the price of your annual membership.
This is Ice-T and Stone Cold Steve Austin, and
we're on a mission to get America to switch to cold water washing with Tide.
it saves you energy.
And that saves you up to $150 a year on your energy bill.
Plus, Tide cleans better in cold than the bargain brand in hot. So what are you waiting for?
Turn to cold.
Golden out of Tuesday.
You camps to work out a solution.
Professor Mike.
And Professor Tom here from Bob Automotive.
To announce my old ride recess.
If you're sick of your current car,
This message is for you.
flunk your clunker during old ride recess.
And you can drive.
Oh. Oh, two tones. Wow.
This is a test of the National Emergency Alert System. This system was developed by broadcast and cable operators in voluntary cooperation with the Federal Emergency Management Agency, the Federal Communications Commission, and local authorities to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the tone alert you heard at the start of this message. No action is required.
Alright, let's see where else is getting it.
Just tell you.
Contact authorities immediately.
We're here at all hours, in the moment, on every device in your life. Your local radio.
Holy cow, another one got it.
Across the Midwest for a better fiber broadband solution. Back.
Interrupt the weather. No weather video, man.
That would help. Really help.
Start your day.
My Christ.
God is great.
The second victim was hospitalized.
Is of strength and recovery.
It seems like it interrupted all of them at once. They're probably gonna start heading over to TV.